Hi, I'm Kerrie Lane from Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, and I've been a Sunrun customer about 6 months. We bought this house in January and it needed a lot of work. We had to start at the top, so we put a new roof on. I kept looking at the roof, and it's a beautiful roof, and I said, wow, it would be really smart with some solar panels on it. My representative was Brittany Irwin, and I found her to be very professional, very caring, and knowledgeable. She handled herself very well. She answered all my questions, and she presented them in a way I could understand, and I didn't struggle with the process. The best people in the world are people who are respectful and take responsibility for what they're doing. I have found that having solar panels has given me reassurance that my bills will stay manageable. So therefore I can take care of other bills, medical bills that come in constantly. Most companies are willing to, let me make payments, which I can do now because everything else in the house is manageable, which is important.